G'day all, another quick update for you on the White River Bridge, Hamley Bridge. The backdrop's gone in, it's been painted, and bridge has been installed. It's not fastened or anything like this. This is just purely for aesthetics, to see how it looks. It's the first attempt at a backdrop. I'm reasonably happy with that. I took 2 goes at it, so I can't sort of give a, I did it, it worked really well. And I've used a technique called misting, so the area here is misted with a bit of white, and I've used a base coat, and then as you go further up it gets darker blue, so that's where that's been misted in. I would suggest that if you're trying to do this on a 40-degree day in a shed, it might be a good idea to do that when the base coat is wet, because if you do it when it's dry, it just turns into a powder, and even your fixative doesn't work out too well. Right, so the next thing I've got to do is I need to also figure out how to make these feet a bit deeper, because in real life it's a little bit deeper. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to go to the huge trouble. I've just sort of got to get my head around what I'm going to do there. So Doug also dropped off some stuff that Peter had done for me, and this is all broad gauge stuff. Oh, sorry about that. Just trying to get a bit of focus there for you. So this is pre-cut sleepers for points in broad gauge, so proper broad gauge, B5 1/4, and they're these ones he's done as well, and they are full width, 34mm I believe, so they're a lot wider than a standard sleeper, and they're 4mm long. The problem I have is with a bridge, you'll find that the sleepers are exposed, so you can't use thin. This is only 1mm thick, so I have to use them as double them up. So I'll give it 2mm. So again, this afternoon, yesterday afternoon, while Doug had departed, I attempted to use 4mm plywood, and to cut it into 2mm strips, so it'd be 4 by 2mm, and yeah, that was a bust. I had splintered wood all over the place. It really wasn't a good idea, so I may have to look at what you can get in balsa or something like that, but yeah, this isn't the way to do that. Yeah, anyway, I'm really happy with the lighting and stuff like that. So these are 400K batten LEDs, and they just sit here under the pelmet there, which is fine. So there you go. So I'll just do another sort of step back here, and that gives you an idea. So basically the room is dark apart from the light from the layout. That gives you an idea of the effective lighting this is producing. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so there's your little quick update, and I will continue on. Cheers.